Today I'm going to show you a really easy way how to generate money online passively with a brand new website that we never talked about before in this channel. And you can do this how many times you want and your earnings will quickly add up. It works worldwide, it is absolutely free and also beginner friendly, because if you follow every step from this video you'll easily make it work even if you don't have previous experience in making money online. And I'll show you how to set everything up on autopilot so you can make money passively, so stay tuned for that. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World, with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video, so you can be one of the first to use it and that way make the most money. And if you love this type of content and you'd like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. First thing you need to do is to come over to this platform called Moreniche, and this is over at moreniche.com. This is also the platform that we'll be using today in order to get paid. But you cannot set everything on autopilot with this platform, and that's why I'll give you another platform that will allow you to earn money passively, so stay tuned for that and keep watching. Anyway, what you'll see once you come over here is that this website has paid out over $53 million to their users from all around the world, and they have been around since 2002, which means this is a legit platform to work with. Being around for almost 20 years means that they are doing pretty good, and here you can see that people using this platform are saying nice things about this website. Now, what is this website about? This is an affiliate network, and this is in fact the #1 health affiliate network. It means that here you can find lots of different health products which you can promote to people interested in improving their health, and actually millions of people are interested in that, and I'll show you how you can find those targeted people so you can earn money passively. With that said, if you scroll down, you'll see that with this strategy, you'll have unlimited earning potential. And if you click on View Earning Live Stats, you're going to see that people from all around the world are making hundreds and thousands of dollars with this website, even by getting just clicks on their link. And I'll show you how you can get your affiliate link and how to find the best products to promote. But before that, I want to show you that Moreniche is working with some big brands. So now what you need to do is that you simply need to come over to moreniche.com and then just click on brands right here. Then you'll see that there are 100% own brands. So every brand has been completely researched before entering the network, so you can trust that whatever you choose to promote, it will sell well. They offer competitive commission rates. They have an average commission of 40%, so you'll be earning some of the highest commissions in the health niche when you promote a more niche offer. And they have some ongoing conversion work, so your conversion rates will continue to improve over time to earn you more money. And if you scroll a little bit down, you'll see that all the brands that you can work with, you can check out all of them and see who pays the most and promote it. Or you can promote all of them if you want to. If you open one of them, this one for example, the last one, you'll learn more about the offer and how much money you can make by promoting it. By promoting Zotrim, you can earn 40% commission, and the average order value is $150, while the average conversion rate is 22.7%, which means that out of 100 people that you send to your link, on average there are 22 people that will actually purchase the product. But just imagine sending your affiliate link to thousands of people and you'll make a lot of money. And you can also make money by the clicks that you get. As you can see right here, earnings per click, right now it's blank. Even some other offers don't show all the information needed. For example, this one doesn't show the average order value, but once you get access to your dashboard, you'll be able to see every single detail about the product that you are going to promote, so don't worry about that. And also, for every product that you promote, you can check out their official website right here. In order to create your account so you can start promoting products, you need to click on join free in the upper right corner, or you can click on join Moreniche to promote a particular offer. After that, it's going to take you to this page where you need to select affiliate, and then you need to put a first name, last name, an email address, a password, confirm the password, and then click join now. And once you created your absolutely free account, this is what you're going to see. This is your dashboard where you can track how many visitors you got on your link, meaning the clicks, how many sales you have managed to make, the live balance, and also how much money you have requested to cash out. Right now it says $0 because I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial, but this will change very soon once you follow every step from this video. For some reasons it is in pounds. I don't know why, but anyway, what you'll need to do is to go over the offers section in the left hand side, and it will show you all the different brands which you can promote. And if you click on one of them, you'll see how much commissions you're going to get, and also how much money you make per click that you get. And this offer has a 20% commission per sale, and also £60 per each click. And if you go over to Google, you're going to see that if you convert it to dollars, that's 85 cents. So you're going to make 85 cents per each click. If you scroll down, you'll see how much money are people making with this offer. So what you need to do is to click on copy link here. You can get your affiliate link and start sharing it with people and make money. And whenever someone clicks on it, you'll earn money, and of course you'll earn a lot more from the sales. So let me show you how you can drive traffic to your link so you can target specific people and also set it up passively. Head over to Google and search for health forums, and you'll get all of these results which you can browse, find the one that you like, and then just open them up and join them for absolutely free. If you open up the first one, for example, you're going to see that the forums are divided in different categories. So depending on what the product that you are promoting is about, you can be part of that category and start telling people more about the product and how it will help them. So you can start building a conversation or a genuine connection with them, and then you can provide them with your affiliate link, and it will work a lot better like that than if you just spam people with your link all over these forums. And as you can see, if you select one of these categories, you'll see that they have a really high engagement and thousands of members that you can refer. You can even find some Facebook groups related to health or social media platforms in general. And like this, you can target thousands of people interested in this niche. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. Thank you for watching.